Hello and welcome to How to Play Tenzi, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Tenzi. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 10 dice per player. The object of the game is to be the first player to roll the same number with all 10 of your dice. All players will make their first roll at the same time. Players will select a number to go for and set aside those dice. The other dice are re-rolled. Other than the first roll, players will play as fast as possible without taking turns. One player announces go, and the first rolls are made to start the game. Red chooses to go for 2s, and blue chooses to go for 6s. The chosen numbers are set aside and the players continue to roll their other dice as fast as they can. Anytime the chosen number is rolled, it is kept. Once a player has all 10 dice the same number, Tenzi is announced to win the game. Red gets 10 2s, announces Tenzi, and wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Tenzi. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.